Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. In this video, we will try to give a short tricks to remember lattice parameter relationship for seven crystal system, and also I will try to give you tricks and will tell you the theory behind the number of parameters required to specify the fully the unit cell of each crystal system. Okay, so we will see two things today, and all those things I will tell you through the concept, through the tricks. Okay, so don't skip the any part of this video. Just try to watch whole video. Okay, so before making chart, I will give you a trick, and we will try to learn those things through the tricks only. Okay, so if you have any trick earlier, so don't watch this video. This video is not for you. If you don't have any trick and you want to learn how to remember lattice parameter relationship and all, because this is very important topic, and always 1 or 2 marks will be there from this topic. Okay, so I will tell you few more tricks in this crystal system, how to remember those things, because you may get these questions in matching type of problems. Okay, that is of 2 marks. Okay, and people do the silly mistakes because of exam pressure. So I don't want to let you do mistakes in exam. That's why I am telling you the tricks. Okay, so this is just simply trick, and you can opt this trick if you don't have any tricks to remember these things. So this is very confusion. There are very confusion in between the students sometimes regarding this lattice parameter relationship and axis and angles relationship. Okay, so that's why I am taking this in this video. Okay, so the first of all, I will tell you the trick, what is trick and how it works. Okay, so the trick is CTO. CTO रोम में है मोनो ट्राई. Okay, so what is trick? Here I am writing CTO. CTO रोम में है mono try. Okay, so if you will try to write like that, you will never do the mistakes in this type of questions. Okay, and also you can remember it is easily. So here in this column I will write crystal systems. How I will write, because here is the concept CTO rom में है mono try. Okay, so this C is basically for cubic. Okay, and this T is for tetragonal. Okay, O means orthorhombic. Okay, so just you have to explore this concept, and if you will do the practice in your home, so you will not to write these things in exams. Okay, suppose if you are forgetting these things, so you can cross check in exams. Okay, okay, so this rho means rhombohedral. Okay, so rhombohedral, I am just writing here, then I will tell you the relation between these axes and angles. Okay, so the HE means hexagonal, mono means this is just clear, monoclinic, and tri means triclinic. Okay, so this is all seven crystal systems, and for which I am going to tell you the lattice parameter relationship. I am going to tell you the axes and angles and how to remember those axes and angles also. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to write again. So for cubic, how you can write this axis, I will tell you. Okay, so this is also known as axial relationship, or you can say the axis itself. Okay, and the other thing is angles. So this is known as angles. So this also concluded this also included in this lattice parameter relationship. Okay, so for cubic, how we will write from cubic to orthorhombic, how I will write, I will write like that: a b c, a is equals to b is equals to c, a equals to b equals to c, a equals to b equals to c. Okay, so this is for uh, all CTO, for CTO. Okay, so a is equals to b equals to c, a is equals to b equals to c, and for orthorhombic, a is equals to b equals to c. Okay, and angle is alpha beta gamma is equals to 90. Okay, alpha beta gamma is equals to 90. Alpha beta gamma is equals to 90. Okay, so what I will do now, for axis, angle will be alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 for all this CTO, means for cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic, but axes are different. Okay, how? First what we will do, a is equals to b is equals to c, then what we will do, we will cross one thing. one parameter. Okay, and again for orthorhombic we will cross both. Okay, so this is the relationship between the axes and angles for this CTO, means for cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic. Okay, and in same way we will try to do for this rom may have mono tri. What I will do, I will write again like that: a is equals to B is equals to C. So I have made two sets. One is CTO and other one is Rome may have mono tri. Okay, so other set is A is equals to B is equals to C for hexagonal, A is equals to B is equals to C. This is writing style and how we remember, how we can remember in exams, in during the exam pressure, for the exam pressure, how we may handle the exam pressures like this only. Okay, so if you will do this in practice session, you need not to do these things in exams also. Okay, just you can remember this concept and you may write. Okay, so A is equals to B is equals to C, A is equals to B is equals to C, A is equals to B is equals to C. Again, what I will do for x's, what I will do for rhombohedral, this A is equals to B is equals to C, that's okay. In case of angles, we need to remember how we can remember this: alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90. Okay, so for orthorhombic is this alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma does not equals to 90. Okay, so one angle we required for identify the lattice unit cell. Okay, means lattice crystal system. So for hexagonal this is unique one, so alpha is equals to beta is equals to 90 and gamma is equals to 120. You can remember easily for hexagonal. Okay, for monoclinic, for hexagonal this axis will be how we can find the axis: a is equals to b equals to c, so we can cross 1, means a is equals to b does not equals to c. Okay, so this is for hexagonal. And for monoclinic, a does not equals to b does not equals to c. Okay, so and what's about the angle? Angle is alpha is equals to gamma does not alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90 does not equals to beta. Okay, so means we need beta angle to justify to specify the fully unit cell of each crystal system. Okay, so this is all about this Rome may have mono. And this triclinic, for triclinic, A is equals to B is equals to C, means this all axis is not equals to and all angles are also not is equals to 90. Okay, so this is how we made the chart and we will try to remember the chart in this way only. Okay, from now, from today onwards. Okay, so the first group is CTO. The first group is CTO, and for CTO, how we can remember axis? We will write A equals to B equals to C. Then we will start crossing 1. So A is equals to B does not equals to C. For orthorhombic, A does not equals to B does not equals to C, and angle will be all equals to the 90. Okay, and for rhombohedral, A is equals to B equals to C, alpha beta is equals to gamma does not equals to 90. So this is the concept. Hexagonal, for angles, this is unique because only this hexagonal having 120 in gamma axis. Okay, so this for gamma angle. Okay, so alpha and beta is equals to 90, and for monoclinic, A does not equals to B does not equals to C, and for angles alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90 does not equals to beta. Okay, so this is all about this crystal system lattice parameter relation. And one more thing they ask in exam, like that, number of lattice parameter. Okay, so in between students there are many problems to identify how to identify the number of lattice parameter. Number of lattice parameter required, I'm writing here, required to specify the crystal system. Okay, so how we can specify a crystal system? So I am writing one concept here. So you know how to calculate the volume of each unit cell by only one formula. By remembering one formula, you can calculate the volume of any crystal system. So V is equals to ABC. This is the formula: 1 minus cos square alpha minus cos square beta minus cos square gamma. Okay, and plus 2, means this is in under root of 2 cos alpha into cos beta into cos gamma. So this is the formula for volume calculation in each crystal system. So if we will put this A, B, C here and we'll put this alpha, beta, gamma value is here, then we will get this volume. Okay, so you can calculate separately for each each crystal system, and you may find this number of lattice parameter required. How? Suppose for cubic, we want to calculate the volume. So V volume is equals to, okay, so volume, how we calculate for this cubic? We will put this abc value. So a is equals to b is equals to c. So only one parameter is required, means we required only a. If we will know a, so that a will be equals to b equals to c. Suppose a is equals to 1, so b also will be equals to 1 and c also will be equals to 1. And this alpha beta gamma is 90, means this 90 is defined, we know about this 90. And suppose if this does not equals to 90, we don't know about this angle, so we require that angle also. Okay, so in case of cubic, what we will do? We will put this value a is equals to a, b is equals to also a, c is equals to also a, and we will put everywhere in 90, like cos square 90 minus cos square 90 minus cos square 90 plus 2 cos 90 multiplied by cos 90 multiplied by cos 90. So what we will get? We will get V is equals to a cube for cubic crystal system. Okay, so what we required? We required only one thing, only one a value justify the to find out the volume of that unit cell. So that is the number of lattice parameter required to specify the fully unit cell. Okay, so here in the case of cubic, that is 1. Okay, so only a is required for the calculation of number of lattice parameter. And same for every crystal system, you can find the volume and you can get the values. Whatever the value will be in this volume formula, that will be the number of parameters required. Okay, so you can also take a reference of Raghavan book. Okay, so for tetragonal, this a we required, okay, and this b, that will be equals to a. So a is one thing and c is other thing. Okay, so alpha beta gamma is 90, so we need only two parameters. Okay, so orthorhombic a b c all does not equals to, so we need a b c all, a b c all, and these all angle are 90. So this is this is defined angle, so we don't need these things. Okay, so three parameters required, so 1 2 3 for CTO. Okay, and for rhombohedral, how we can find? A is equals to b is equals to c, so 1 a is required. Okay, and for this is for rhombohedral, so alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. So means alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma, but these all does not equals to 90, means this gamma does not equals to 90 and these all are equal. Okay, but this is not equals to 90, so we need one angle. Okay, so that is alpha. So a and alpha means we need two lattice parameter. Okay, so this rhombohedral is also known as trigonal. Okay, in some books you will get trigonal, so don't confuse. This rhombohedral is he also known as trigonal. Okay, so now you know how to calculate the number of lattice parameter required. Okay, so for hexagonal we required a and c. For alpha beta is equals to 90, so these all are defined angles, so we don't need any angle. So this is also equals to the 2, because a and c is required. For monoclinic, this a does not equals to b, does not equals to c, so this a b c all required. And for this angle, this alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90, so these two angles are 90, but we required beta because this is not equals to 90, so 3 plus 1, that means 4. Okay, for triclinic, this 3 required and also this 3 required, because this does not equals to 90 degree, so we need 6, and maximum for triclinic also. Okay, so this is how we can remember these all things. Try to get the concept, get into the concept, try to practice your own, try to write these things by your own, then only do the comment if you did not understand these things. Okay, so this is all about the lattice parameter relationship in crystal systems. Okay, so also you should remember this formula, this uh, this this volume formula. This is very important to calculate, for calculating this number of lattice parameter required to specify fully lattice. Okay, so what you will do at home, you will put these all values here in this list and you will find the volume of every crystal system. If you find any problem, please try to contact us with on Instagram page or on Facebook. Okay, so don't hesitate, just try to contact. Okay, so we will try to make you correct. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have learned something new in this video. We are coming with GATE 2021 question practice, metallurgical engineering question practice. We will do MSQs type of questions also, and we will do few concepts of thermodynamics in those videos. So subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.